Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you step by step how to add backlinks. So watch the full video. I'll add 2 backlinks to my website. Firstly go to this website moodle.org. Then click on login in the right side. You can log in using Google, Microsoft account or Facebook account. But firstly you need to create new account. So click on create new account. Wait for a second, it is loading. Then fill up those boxes. What is your age? Then fill up the country. Select your country. Then click on proceed. Then scroll down. Click on next. Then again scroll down. Click on next. Then tick the box. Then click on next. Then give the username. Then give the password. Then give the email address. Fill up first name, last name, city, country. Then click on create my new account. You need to use unique username. So I am changing my username. Click on create my new account. They send a verification code to your email address. So check your email address. Refresh it. You will see a verification email. Click on the link. It will confirm your email address. Click on continue. Then click on the name, your username. Click on profile. Click on edit profile. You can see that your profile is created. Click on edit profile. Then scroll down. You can add your profile picture here if you want. Scroll down. Click on optional. You can add your website link here. You can also add Skype ID. Copy your website link and paste it here. This way you can add backlink in this website. You can also add Facebook ID, Skype ID here. Click on update profile. In this, click on update profile. Now your backlink is created. You can see that backlink is created. This way you can add backlink in this website. Now I will add backlink in another website. forums.factorio.com. So watch the full video how I add backlink in this website. Firstly, go to this website, then click on register. Click on I agree to these terms. Now fill up this thing: username, email address, I'm copying my email address, paste it here, then give a strong password. Then confirm the password. Then click on submit. Click on submit button. You can save your username and password. They sent a verification email, so check your email. They sent an email here, so click on the email, click on the link, now you need to log in. Click on login. Again click on login. Now click on profile. Now click on edit profile. Here you can add your website link. Paste the link here. You can also add YouTube link. You can also fill a birthday, occupation, Twitter link. This way you can add backlink in this website. Thanks for watching. If you have any problem, then you can write in the comment box. You can see that the backlink is created. If you have any problem, then you can write in the comment box. Thank you guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.